So how can you hide the recently added apps on your iPhone? And let's get started. So what you basically need to do is to locate your app library. So on your home page, swipe all the way to the left so you get to the most right section. And in there, you can see all of your installed apps, and they are sorted into these little folders. And unfortunately, you cannot really reorganize them, right? You cannot just move something from one folder to another. But what you can do is to open up the recently added. And since you want to hide the actual app, what you can do is to hold down on the individual application, click on require face ID, and then click on hide and require face ID. What this will do is that it will lock the application with your biometrics, and then it will also remove it from the recently added folder. It will also disable the notifications, and it will just hide it away in a little folder called hidden. This is useful for various different purposes, and of course, you can put any app that you want into this hidden folder. But the point is that this is how you can get the app outside of the recently added app list or this folder. Outside of that, there aren't many options, as this is limited by the operating system. So this is how it generally works. If you had something else in mind when you were looking for this kind of topic, or you had this question, then let me know about it below. But I really appreciate your support and sticking till the end of this video. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'm going to catch you later in the future videos.